Hello, I'm Jason Wu. We are JL Tech. We are a company focusing on making industrial-grade gas analyzers and multi-parameter gas monitoring systems. This is our main office building, and we are in the hallway of our office building. We have 28 experience in the industry, and our sensors are widely used in coal mines and power plants. And our production facility is at the back of our building. This is our department office. Here, this section is our live stream room. And we will be broadcasting every Wednesday, Thursday afternoon Beijing time. You're welcome to come and watch the live show. And here are my coworkers. Hi. Now we are in the research and the production building. This is a 5-floor facility with each floor having its special purpose. It is divided into machining, sub-assembly, assembly, testing, calibration, packaging, research zone, and etc. Our products are all self-designed and manufactured with patent technology. Now we are entering our sub-assembly production room. This room produces partially finished products for further assembly. We will schedule routines to manage our production line. Right now, they are making a failed chest plate for our explosion-proof boxes.